Good morning, everyone. This is Crypto Meow Analysis coming at you with another video on Oxt Orchid Protocol. So let's jump right into it. It seems like we just registered our all-time low 17 days ago at 4664. But that's not really surprising because they did release the rest of their token recently into the circulation supply, which obviously caused the market cap to go up, and then the market cap to double bottom with the price action registering a newer low. I'm not worried about that though because because I mean we're just Bitcoin's chopping up everything right now. All the altcoins are getting hit hard, and we're just now getting some sort of relief rally on some altcoins like Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin's going up, and the blue chip stocks are going up. So it just means that we're in cycle, we're in rotation. So eventually it's going to get to Orchid, and Orchid's going to go. Except we have to figure out when we're bottomed out, because I don't think that this is the bottom. So they haven't released anything else. There's only very little amount to be released into the circulation supply. I did look up OXC news. There's no catalyst, no new partnerships, nothing like that. So if in case they do partner with another VPN company that does drive the revenue up, then it will reflect positively on the price. Now, OXT also is a deflationary coin. So it has a total supply of 1 billion. There is no inflation, but possibility for deflation. So they haven't burned coins yet, but eventually they will one day, which will positively reflect on the price. So keep that in mind. Now, I looked at Coin Checkup only because I want to start looking at more places, see if there's anything I can find. Unfortunately, we're at a strong sell signal. We're not bullish at all, and yeah, it's just not looking good. In 2020, when the coin came, 2019 is when the coin came up, but I guess in 2020, we registered minus 35%. 21, we gained it back and more. 22, we lost 68%. So, according to this pattern, it does seem like this year is going to be good, right? I don't know, but we'll see. Anyway, so what else? Oh, let's do some technical analysis on it and see how low it can go. So first I want to show the OXC BTC pairing, because it does, every single time we think it's bottomed out, it just makes a newer low, which is not good at all. But it does look like, no, it doesn't look, it looks really bad. It just looks like a falling pit. So that's not looking good. The OXC BTC pairing is not looking good. We are losing value on OXT. So let's check OXT USD. And then as far as the TA goes, we're just gonna, I don't really know. We just registered, 300 million tokens were released into a circulation supply. And obviously it reflects on the price negatively. Look, we fell and we registered all-time low. So I really don't know how low it can go. But we can always try to figure out our stop losses and try to trade our way into getting more coins. So if we don't hold, it really does not look good. Look. I feel like this is just gonna, it's just gonna keep going down. That's what I think. But the targets are 505. If it doesn't hold, then there. So 503. If 503 doesn't hold, then we're looking at registering or hitting our all-time low again, because that's literally the all-time low, 467. And if 467 doesn't hold, then we are probably going to, we're probably going to go back down to Yeah, so I guess uh, the targets are we need to hold the all-time low. If that doesn't hold, then we're probably going to hit the low fours. And if that doesn't hold, obviously we're going to hit. And that's all contingent on if Bitcoin breaks down, because if Bitcoin has a huge breakdown, then OXC is going to just fall off the table and go to 3 cents, go to 2 cents. Right now it's so OXC is so fragile because it hasn't had its relief rally yet. So once it has its relief rally and then it kind of maintains a price, we don't care if Bitcoin drops 10%, OXC drops 10%, because we're never going to come back down to these all-time lows. So this is an extremely risky play if, like, anybody's getting into the coin at these levels. But the reward is extremely higher because right now we're sitting at the all-time lows. I'm hoping something like this happens where it goes back up and we have sideways action within this channel, which I am expecting. However, I don't think that we hit the all-time lows yet. I think that OXC has to hit 3 or 4 cents before we actually have some sort of relief rally. But in terms of the channels go, I really think that let's just go down to 3 cents. 3.8. So yeah, I think that theoretically OXT can't go any lower than 3.5. And we're just gonna basically chop around until we have some sort of another bull run, and hopefully we hit the all-time highs of $1 eventually within the next couple years. But yeah, this is my goal. This is my plan. This is my goal. I think that eventually we will reverse, but we're not. It's not like we're gonna reverse and just pop out of here without any sort of news or partnerships, because these areas where the price action was so high was when we had such little circulation supply. I think over here was like we had 50 million tokens released. Over here, actually, let's see, because we can actually look at the market cap. Yeah, so over here the price was 58 cents, but the market cap was 100 million. So that means that 58 million was 58 cents, 100 million. I guess, yeah, that would mean that 58 million, the circulation supply was 58 million. Over here, it was 84 cents, and the market cap was 311 million. So do the math. You'll see that gradually with increased circulation, it always reflected negatively on the price, which is exactly what happened here, which is why we're sitting at the all-time lows. Anyway, like, subscribe, comment. I'll make another video when it's not boring, but that's my goal. I think this is what's going to play out. I think that we're just going to get chopped around, and the lowest point that we can buy is 3.5, and I think that we're going to get some sort of relief rally back up to 10 to 12 cents. I don't know when, but again, just make sure you realize that OXT always likes to sell off. Eventually, it's not going to, though. Eventually, the selling pressure is going to go away, and that's when we're going to have our big moves up. So you just have to kind of time it perfectly and play it perfectly in order to maximize your profits. Anyway, please like, subscribe, comment. It helps out. I'm trying to look up. I tried to look up, OXT videos, OXT news on YouTube, but I can't find any. I only see my videos uploaded new. But that's also because it looks like it's a dead coin, so I guarantee you, like, people aren't going to be talking about this until it's up. But I like this because look, it's literally at its all-time low. This is the time to kind of think about investing money into or putting more money into OXT, because right now theoretically would be the best time if this is the bottom and like you get something like this, and then this right here is when people start making YouTube videos and talking about how great OXT is and things like that. It's been 4 years. It's been going on 4 years. don't give up on this coin, because although it took 4 years to drop, it's going to take like 2 weeks, in a matter of like 1 to 2 weeks, to get it all back and more. So just be patient. And yeah, please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you have any questions.